Rockswicky's best product advisor behind Amazon. Rockswicky's presents top 10 best counter-depth French door refrigerator. Let's see which counter-depth French door refrigerator is best for you to buy. Starting with the list number 1. Refrigerator name, Danby 120 can Beverage Center. Refrigerator information, 3 black wire shelves and interior light illuminates compartment when door is opened. Recessed side mount door handle and integrated lock with key. List number 2. Refrigerator name, Freestanding single zone touch control. Refrigerator information, sleek design, stainless steel and transparent glass front with blue LED lighting add elegant design and practical function to your home. List number 3. Refrigerator name, stainless steel frame glass door. Refrigerator information, dynamic cooling technology delivers the industry's most even temperature stability. Frost-free with temperature range between 34 degrees and 42 degrees Fahrenheit. List number 4. Refrigerator name, Samsung RF23J9011SR 22.5 cubic feet. Refrigerator information, tall external filtered ice and water dispenser. Digital touch controls, soft blue LED display. List number 5. Refrigerator name, RF28K9380SG black stainless steel 36 inches. Refrigerator information, triple cooling system with Ice Master ice maker in the refrigerator. Energy Star registered compliant. Flex zone bottom right compartment can be a fridge or freezer. Food showcase door, innovative door and door design gives easy access to on-the-go items such as drinks and condiments. List number 6. Refrigerator name, Bosch B09IB80NSP 22 inches. Refrigerator information, the 24 inches 800 series Energy Star built-in bottom freezer refrigerator from Bosch will be the best addition to your place. The refrigerator features 9.6 cubic feet total capacity, 4 refrigerator shelves, Vita Fresh Pro humidity controlled drawer, LED lighting, and reversible hinges. Available at Appliances Connection. List number 7. Refrigerator name, Electrolux EI23BC37SS 36 inches. Refrigerator information, the 36 inches counter-depth French door refrigerator from Electrolux will be the best addition to your kitchen. The Pure Advantage filtration systems will ensure your water is crisp and clean. The self-closing doors remove any worries of accidentally leaving your refrigerator open. The crisper drawers keep fruits and vegetables fresh for a longer period. Available at Appliances Connection. List number 8. Refrigerator name, Fisher Paykel E522BC37SS 17.6 cubic feet, refrigerator information, Active Smart Technology. Active Smart Technology is the combination of temperature sensors with smart electronics and variable speed fans that creates a controlled environment and optimum temperature to keep food fresher longer. Smart Tucked Control Panel for easy access. The new Smart Tucked Control Panel is placed in the inside front of the fridge. List number 9. Refrigerator name, Lynx L24DWR2 drawer refrigerator. Refrigerator information, seamless stainless steel construction for maximum durability outdoors. Advanced insulation keeps energy costs down. Fully extendable drawers provide easy access to stored items. List number 10. Refrigerator name, Arctic Air AGR49. Refrigerator information, Arctic Air's solid door reach and refrigerators and freezers are designed to bring you real, commercial food service grade performance at a truly incredible value. All Arctic Air products are tested to NSF standard 7 levels and must pass numerous quality control inspections throughout manufacturing process. Thank you for watching our video about top 10 best counter-depth French door refrigerator. To get those counter-depth French door refrigerator, Follow the description link below and subscribe to our channel for future upload.